Hello and welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn something on the types of garden, which is a kitchen garden. A kitchen garden is a garden in which plants, for instance vegetables, fruits and herbs, for use in the kitchen are cultivated. A kitchen garden does not have to be right outside the kitchen door, but the closer it is, the better. Then we'll look at on starting a kitchen garden, the type and size of garden, preparing the garden site, choosing garden crops, planting a garden, where, when and how, starting from seeds or small plants, garden maintenance, watering the garden, fertilizing and weed control. Under the type and size of garden, we are going to look at the small and large raised beds. We are look at the containers used. The containers used are pots and cans, buckets and baskets, plastic bags, barrels and drums. Then the next thing is site selection. During site selection, we consider the following factors. We can choose near the house and the water source, full sun more than 6 hours a day, away from competing tree roots, well-drained soils, protected area, protected from animals and plants. Then we look at planting your garden. These are the steps you do in order to plant your garden. You clear the plants or debris from the soil. Then you water before planting to loosen the soil. Then pay attention to spacing and timing. Then after planting, you add mulch. Then you water immediately and continue watering regularly. Then let's look at the plants and the light requirements. We have the sun plants, semi-shade plants and the poor light plants. The sun plants are tomato, carrot, beans, cucumber and brinjals. The semi-shade plants are lettuce, spinach, cabbage and beets. The poor light plants are radish, ginger, mint and pineapple. Then we look at the watering the garden. Under watering the garden, we can use watering cans or overhead sprinklers. Then there's also the water considerations. You can water early in the day or late in the evening. Young plants need water. It needs water per week. Mature plants need 2 to 3 times watering per week. Then we look at the fertilizing. The types of plant nutrients are macronutrients, macro and micronutrients. The macronutrients are primary, which are NPK, secondary, calcium, magnesium and sulfur. The micronutrients are zinc, copper, etc. The fertilizer can be applied every 2 to 3 weeks. You apply to the side of the pot or at the edge of the root zone. Then on to the next thing, which is weed control. In weed control, you can apply the following. You can cultivate, you can hand pull the weeds, you can mulch, or you can use herbicides. Then we move to the next thing, which is mulching. It's a process in which a layer of material applied to the surface of an area of soil. The purpose of a mulch is to conserve soil moisture, to improve fertility, to reduce weed growth, and to enhance the visual appearance of the area. Then we have two types of mulching, which is organic and inorganic mulching. Organic mulching, we use pine straw, leaves, bark, stroke wood chips, yard waste, sawdust, or peanut hulls. Inorganic mulching, we use polyplastic, newspaper, cardboard, and carpets. We move on to supporting tall plants. We support tall plants by staking. We can put them on the fence. We can use sketches, or use another plant to support another plant. The climatic effects on the plants are temperature, rain, humidity, light, and wind. Then we move on to the plant's hunger symptoms. The plants show the following symptoms in case of plant hunger. The leaves become yellow and there is standard growth, and the K-tip and the marginal leaf becomes brown, and the leaves also become wheels starts rolling, and there's death of the internal tissue of the leaves. Then we look at the managing of insects. These are the ways of managing insects. We manage insects by timely planting, hand picking, and use of chemicals or insecticides. Then we look at the harvesting. As on matters of harvesting vegetables, the following factors are put into consideration. It is dependent on the type of plant, the timings of planting, and the location. Thank you so much for watching our video. For more videos like this, can you hit the subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. Thank you so much.